Hey guys, today, let's learn how to set or change your Messenger background. So first of all, I want you guys to head on over onto your messengers over here. So click on Messenger. So now you are on your messengers. If you actually just want to change your messenger background, all you need to do is, we have a bunch of other options over here that is already provided by Messenger itself. You could also change the color onto gradients and stuff. Just click on the specific color and select, and then boom, it's now changed. But if you want to change the background, you could just choose from these themes over here. I think I want to use Stranger Things, so I click on select and then boom. It's not really going to provide or rather allow me to change the theme at the moment, but I'm pretty sure that you guys could all the way do this. So just go ahead and follow these steps, and you'll be able to change your messenger background in no time. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.